Part 42, Matrix Organization, Meaning and Formation. Matrix Organization, its meaning. Matrix organization is a modern kind of organization which has two different type of structures. One is the simple kind of structure which forms the part of decision making, and the second one is the technical problem solution based, which is called project structure. The combination of both these results in matrix organization. Hence, matrix organization is a modern organization type which is involving work-based and project-based peculiarities. In this type of organization, the specialized work needs to be given benefits. At the same time, project management benefits are also obtained. It is multi-phased structure. The matrix organization structure is a combination of two or more types of organizational structure, mainly two types. One is simple kind of structure, that is forms a part of the decision making, and second is a technical problem solution based, that is known as project structure. The matrix organization is the structure of uniting these other organizational structures to give them balance. Usually there are two chains of command where project team members and the basis of managers, and other is usually there are two chains of command where project team members have two bosses or managers. It is a combination of both. The structure of organization is created which is called a matrix organization. One is general structure which is a part of decision making process, and other is structure for the solution of technical problems which is termed as a project structure. The combination of both structure, the organization is created which is called a matrix organization. In this manner, matrix organization is modern type of specialized organization which includes characteristics of both functional as well as the project organization. In this type of organization, advantages of functional specialization as well as project management both are available. This organization structure makes use of multiple order method. Design or formation of matrix organization. In matrix organization, we find the combination of work-based and project-based organization. There are two structure, that is one is work-based and that is project, other is technical based. In this type of organization, each project manager is given different type of work responsibility. As many projects managers are appointed as per number of projects, the responsibility of the project manager is to successfully complete the project assigned to him. Because of there is delegation and responsibility and authority is there, his main function or his main intention to complete his own work. He is also responsible to complete it on time. The expert from different staff members are obtained from different work areas. Such kind of selected experts are divided into different groups. The experts of the organization are divided into work-based and project-based structure. For example, computer expert, research expert, manufacturer and creation of special expert, technical expert, etc. These kind of experts are obtained from different work groups. Once when the work is done, they are sent to their respective work areas to which they belong. The matrix organization structure can be understood by the following diagram. In this organization, there is a combination of functional department and project department. In this organization, each project manager is assigned with the responsibility of separate project. The project managers are appointed equal to number of projects. The responsibility of project manager is to see that his project gets completed in time and successfully. For the project work, necessary expert staff is obtained from various functional departments. The expert obtained this manner are distributed among the different teams. The experts are obtained for project work from different department and they are sent back to their original department on completion of the project. In this matrix organization, there are two departments, mainly two or more departments. We are taking example of two departments. One is functional department and project department. And general managers have, they are going to function with both department. Project managers, they are going to part with a different managers function. And general manager, then production, purchase, engineering, research and development are going to control. Project manager, project 1 and project 2 and more project is there also. In this matrix organization, the flow of authority is double fold. For example, the general manager from upper level faces on the project heads to lower level in linear manner. It is also mentioned here that all the project heads function independently. They obtain expert needs by them from different work groups or areas. This type of organization is favorable where it is necessary to combine the technology with the function. We can understand from the above chapter, it is clear that in matrix organization, the flow of authority is double from the general manager to various department and various project managers. There is a flow of authority upper level to bottom level in a linear manner, and every project managers have their own independent activity in their own project. The various experts are individuals obtained from the various department. Thus in organization matrix is created where technology and work both are important. Under the circumstance of combination of both becomes necessary, means functional and technical. Such a type of organization is suitable over for different functions are there and favorable for where there is necessary to combine the technology. Matrix organization with this example. In a matrix structure, individuals work across teams and project as well as within their own department or function. For example, a project or task team established to develop a new product might include engineers and design specialists as well as those with marketing, financial, personal and production skills. The advantages of matrix organization are matrix structures and retain an organizational functional structure. They allow for the rapid creation of efficient large scale project structures that employ many members of the organization's functional structure but without disrupting or destroying the structure in this process. There are three different types of matrix organization: a weak matrix, a balanced matrix, and a strong matrix. A weak matrix structure is most similar to the functional organization with the majority of authority in hands of a functional manager. This is about a matrix organization, meaning, design or formation,